around 6 o'clock, and it becomes slowly busy. And yeah, as usual, I like this traffic, the motorbikes, trucks, everything going around. And this is quite a modern corner around Sukhumvit. There is the bus station on the other side. I can show you later. It's on this side. I am now on the bridge from the Lot 5 from a high train. It's I think for the people who knows Thailand and the area, very convenient to travel around. And yeah, I had my walk this morning, going around some blocks. And as usual, I like this. I like the big cities, the travel, the traffic, the people, street food, coffee, everything what's happened on the street. And yeah, let's have a look. It's quite okay. It's not too busy. Taxi going. And yeah, sometimes there's a red light or green. Not care about the scooters. And or you can see the taxi, the green yellow one. This, I think many tourists like the taxis. You have different colors. There's so many taxi drivers around the city. You raise your hand, you stop the taxi. If you can speak Thai, it's easy. Only in English, very difficult to go around with the taxi drivers. So many of the Grab app or all, it's like a Uber app, and yeah, it's good going around. So let's see here. We have a switch. Turn around. We switch in the other side. It's you can see in the end there is a tower with bridges in between. This is this story. There is a YouTube video on social media, and it's really crazy. Doing the earthquake in Myanmar. Yeah, one guy jumping over the bridge in between the towers. Some of them are broken and become a big social media hype. Yeah, crazy, really crazy. Yeah, or the red bus. Sorry, I forgot. But one more is coming. You can see in front. It's more the blue bus, electric, is new and modern. And if you see on the right side here, behind the two cars, this is the old bus, the traditional old style bus from Bangkok. And we will miss this in the future. Now everything is changing. I know it's become more and more electric cars, bus, but for the city, it was really a standard. Oh, here's also one coming on this side, 501. I love it. I really love it. You can see, if you count, the taxis, the bus, it's full of transportation in Bangkok, and it's very good organized, I can say. But the best one is the scooters. Most fastest way to travel around in this busy city. And yeah, if the traffic is too much in Sukhumvit area, it's really, really heavy. And yeah, for this, it's good you're using all the transportation.